Hi everyone, so welcome to this video. This is about jobs. So the objective of it is to get familiarized with some expressions to refer about jobs. So let's get started. You're going to write down all the words or expressions you know about jobs for 2 minutes. You may pause the video if you want to do this activity. I hope you're ready with this. So I'm gonna share with you the words I came up with. These are some of them: being happy, dollars, teacher, pharmacist, engineer, euros, etc., etc. So maybe we can have a coincidence with some of the words that you have there, okay? Now, I'm going to show you some words. And what is the idea? If you don't know the word, you can go over the dictionary and check the meaning of it, because you're going to write down a sentence in relation to that word. So the first one is retire. What is it? Any idea? Well, I have this example. When I get retired, I hope to travel more. When you are retired is when you are at the age of, let's say, enjoying life a little bit more because you have finished your work, okay? So that's the first sentence, okay? Now you need to come up with your own sentence, don't forget. The second word is profits. What is it? Jose made a profit by selling the textbook for more than he had bought it, okay? So it's like the extra money that you have after you have invested some money, all right? Okay, profit. Remember, you need to write down your own sentence. The next one, customer. Who is the customer? Is the person that is buying a product, all right? So look at my example. Lina is a good customer. She always buys her coffee here. Okay, now please create your own sentence. Colleagues. Colleagues. Who are colleagues? At work, I have the best colleagues ever. Okay, so colleagues are the people you work with, all right? So I hope you have good colleagues. You let me know, please. The next word is perk, which is a synonym of benefits. Okay, benefits. I have this example. Joanna's salary isn't very high, but her job comes with a great per health insurance. Okay, so what are your perks at work? Promotion. What is it? Edwin got a promotion last week. Now he's the coordinator of the school. So you see, when you get promoted, it's because you have a better job position, okay, at work. Employer. In my personal case, my employer is Universidad Libre. Who is your employer? Give me the sentence. Give me an example. Employee is, for example, me at Universidad Libre. Employee is you in your own company. So the company requires all employees to follow the rules. Okay, now don't forget to write down your own sentence. Vacancy. Vacancy. So the company has a vacancy for a receptionist. So this happens when you go over a newspaper and you're looking for a job. So you are looking for job vacancies. Hire. Hire is a synonym of contract. Okay, and I have this example. The call center is hiring new staff now. And we have the opposite. The opposite is fire. Okay, fire. Jimmy was fired for being late every morning. So it's the opposite, right? When a person is taken away from the job. Resign. What is resign? When you say goodbye, thank you so much to your job. For example, here, Leo didn't like his job, so he resigned. Okay, so at this point, you should be ready with 12 sentences, right? So be ready for a class activity to use those words. Don't forget them. In here, you have them. Okay, see you in another video. Bye.